Can bankruptcy help me if I'm being sued by my creditors?
It most definitely can. If you're being sued, then filing for bankruptcy will stop the state court collection case immediately in its tracks. In the common scenario, a credit card company, for example, has decided to sue you in state court because you've been unable to meet your monthly payments. At that point, things have gotten very serious because prior to the law firm getting involved in the lawsuit, there was a collection company trying to get you to make payments, and prior to that, the credit card company had tried to make contact with you, and then the monthly payments probably began to escalate. So we've gotten to a point now that is very serious, and during that time period, the total amount you owe has kept increasing. But upon filing a bankruptcy petition, you are assured that the lawsuit against you is immediately stopped. The court will stop all other creditors from contacting you. They can't call you, they can't send you anything, and if they haven't yet filed a lawsuit against you, they can't do that either. In a Chapter 7, the total amount you owe will be extinguished, and you won't have to pay anything back to those credit card companies. If you're not eligible for a Chapter 7, then you can file a Chapter 13, and will stop any more interest from accruing. You simply establish a repayment plan with the bankruptcy trustee, and the trustee will then in turn pay off your creditors for you. If you're so far behind that your wages are already being garnished, and you file bankruptcy, the wage garnishment will stop right away. In many cases, if the creditor has taken more than a certain amount allowed under the rules, we can actually have some of that money returned to you after you file bankruptcy so that you can use it for other purposes. Here at Reddick & Associates, we handle hundreds of cases just like yours. If you're having problems making payments on your house, your car, or your credit cards, or you just want to stop all of that creditor harassment, please give us a call. Our consultations are always free.